What's going on, guys? Welcome to Around the Track. Today I've got some great news coming out of Six Flags Great Adventure, and this one is regarding Jersey Devil. It's finally gone vertical, so I hope you guys enjoy the video.
I'm a fool, yeah, I got an upline, and ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good.
Alrighty, so like I said, it is finally gone vertical. I am so excited. I think the supports look awesome, and I can't wait to see this thing at night because you're not going to be able to see the supports at night. I really like that navy blue color. It goes very well with the track. Overall, this ride I'm so excited for it. It'll be my first single rail coaster. It's literally like maybe 3 hours away from me. That's a solid drive for me. I don't mind doing that. I'll do that any day for a single rail coaster. And also, there is one coming in South Dakota now. Yeah, we'll talk about that in a later video. But for right now, we'll focus on Jersey Devil. All the track is on site and everything. They'll probably be done putting up the supports and whatnot by the end of this week for sure. After that, though, I imagine to see track going up pretty rapidly. I do think it will be done probably by April. Believe it or not, I don't think they're going to be like West Coast racers and be basically a year behind. I think they might probably have this done honestly by April for sure. In other Six Flags news though, Six Flags St. Louis, they've changed their tagline to a gateway to thrills. I think it's an awesome name. And it's a nice tagline. I think it's good. That's all for today's video. Hope you all did enjoy it. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that is happening on the channel. And until next time, you guys, peace out.